In this question, the principal explains to us the definition of theft. That is, whoever intending to take dishonestly any movable property out of the possession of any person without that person's consent moves that property in order to such taking is said to commit theft, right? Now, the offense of theft, it converts into robbery when two or more people with common intention, if in committing the theft or in carrying away or attempting to carry away property obtained by theft, the offender causes or attempts to cause hurt or wrongful restraint, right? So over here, two things have been provided. Firstly, theft has been provided, and when this theft converts into robbery, that is, when the offender causes or attempts to cause hurt or wrongful restraint, and there should be minimum two or more people, right? Now, what are the facts? The facts are X, a wealthy businessman wearing a Rolex watch, was traveling by train. Y and Z, two unemployed youth who were following him in the train, eyeing the watch. When the train was about to stop at a station, Y stealthily relieved X of his watch. However, soon thereafter, X realized it and raised alarm. Upon this, Z started kicking X, and then both Y and Z jumped out of the train and fled from the scene. Which of the following derivations is correct? Now, in this question, the correct answer is B. That is, Y and Z committed the offense of robbery. Right? Now, why is B the correct answer? See, if we read the principle properly, we get to know that in carrying away the property obtained by theft, if the offender causes hurt to the victim, the offense of, see, it has been clearly given over here. What we get to know from this part of the principle is that if, while carrying away the property obtained by theft, if the offender causes hurt to the victim, the offense of theft gets converted into that of robbery. In this case, to carry away the property, Z hurt X by kicking him, right? As we get to know from the facts. That is, upon this, Z started kicking X, and then both Y and Z jumped out of the train and fled from the scene, right? So basically, Z hurt X by kicking him, hence Y and Z committed the offense of robbery in furtherance of their common intention, making B the correct answer. That is, Y and Z committed the offense of robbery. B is the correct answer.